This is the second lecture on solar cell. Let me recall that the solar cell is expected to have an cellular position for the cheapest source of energy in 2050. Here, I continue to explain more terminology and introduce performance test centers in the last part. Please subscribe and push like button if you want to support this channel. First, I'll explain air mass. Intensity of solar light on the Earth's surface depends on the latitude at a specific time because the distance light travels through the atmosphere also depends on it. The relative distance with respect to the shortest path from overhead defines air mass. The longer the distance, the weaker the light intensity which irradiates on the Earth's surface, which is due to more absorption by air. The performance of a solar cell should be measured at the air mass 1.5, which corresponds to the mid-latitude of United States and Europe. Next, terrestrial solar cell is the one operated on the Earth's surface. As was explained in the first lecture, solar cell can be classified into two kinds. In the concentrating one, solar cell is focused on a specific area where absorption occurs. Efficiency of a cell or submodule is measured in this way. On the other hand, absorption occurs at all places of solar light irradiation in the non-concentrating one as in a panel. On the left, shown are cell, module, and panel in sequence. Cell and submodule represent undivided units of a solar cell, where the later one is larger than the former. A module consists of more than one laminated cells fixed in a rigid frame. A panel comprises a complete electric circuit for installation, which includes one or more modules and support. As was explained in the first lecture, solar cell can be also divided into single junction and multiple junction. The later one consists of more than one single junctions electrically connected. It is more expensive than the former but has a better efficiency. Finally, I want to list major institutes for the official certification of the performance of a solar cell. They are located in the United States, Germany, Italy, and Japan. Please note that there are more institutes other than those listed here, although not explicitly mentioned. It may be worth visiting the homepage of NREL, National Renewable Energy Lab in the United States, where you can find a figure which shows all kinds of solar cells with chronological records. In the next lecture, I'll describe the efficiencies of various kinds of solar cells in detail. I expect that terminology explained up to now will be helpful for that purpose. Thank you for watching.